Welcome to AK Trading Company. We are professional mobile repairers and distributors specializing in the cell phone LCDs and spare parts industry with experience of 10 years in the domain. Our company is located in Ivory Coast, Abidjan, and in Lebanon. Our products are shipped directly from factories in China, where all the products pass by one testing process to ensure selling high-quality LCD screens. We provide 3 LCD types, which are AK, AAA, AK Premium, and AK Hard OLED. Our goal is to become a trusted company that provides caring products for customers. You're welcome to our company anytime to get your professional service. Address: Ivory Coast, Abidjan, Lebanon Tire. WhatsApp number: 0022 5074 9969696. Email ak.trading.co@hotmail.com.